For Las Vegas resorts, their responsibility to the planet is as important as the comfort and well-being of their guests. Las Vegas Sands Corporation takes that responsibility so seriously, it was recently recognized for going above and beyond to reduce its water and energy footprint across its properties. The Venetian, the Palazzo, and Sands Expo offer more than 18 million square feet of space and more than 7,000 guest suites to the 42 million visitors who choose Las Vegas as their travel destination annually. A well-known brand on the Las Vegas Strip, Las Vegas Sands wants you to know something else. The company cares about its impact on the environment and takes strategic measures to lighten its energy and water footprint. Since 2007, Sands has made it a strategic priority to become a more sustainable company. Its Eco360 program is the hallmark of Sands' commitment to minimizing its environmental impact. The program is built around 4 pillars: green buildings, environmentally responsible operations, green meetings, and stakeholder engagement. Water conservation is a cornerstone of Sands Eco360.
Water is extremely important to us, and it kind of touches almost every single pillar of our program. So we have kind of implemented a range of measures over the last few years to reduce our water consumption constantly. So for example, we have an innovative cooling tower water technology that saves millions of gallons of water every year. We also have a nano water filtration system that treats underground water, and we use about 12 million gallons of water every year for landscaping, street cleaning, as well as Palazzo Fountain, which is one of the largest fountains we have on property. And we're actually in the process of expanding a nano water filtration system, and we would be able to utilize another 8 million gallons of water for our cooling towers for building air conditioning.
The Palazzo's unique nano water filtration system sits 48 feet below the Las Vegas Strip in the resort's parking garage. The nano filtration system captures nuisance water seeping in from a shallow aquifer on site. Instead of discharging the water into a storm drain, Palazzo filters and cleans the water, then uses it to irrigate plants. The system produces an average of 55,000 gallons a day. That's water never taken from our primary source of drinking water, Lake Mead.
We take the total amount of water that we pump through this system and we just dumped it to storm drain and it went out and just evaporated. We'd be taking about 30 million gallons out of Lake Mead that we currently don't. So, I mean, it was a huge plus as far as the environment goes, because this water would just evaporate. It wouldn't even make it to Lake Mead. So it's the right thing to do.
Furthering its outdoor conservation efforts, the Sands properties use water-smart landscaping and irrigation technologies.
We have replaced grass with desert-friendly landscape wherever feasible. We've also installed drip irrigation systems that provide water directly to the roots to prevent any wasteful evaporation. We've also installed sophisticated irrigation central controller system that automatically detects how much water to use for different plant species based on actual weather outside conditions such as temperature, rainfall, humidity, moisture, and so on.
In the Venetian and Palazzo guest suites, the company saves 30 million gallons of water per year with low-flow shower heads and faucets. The resorts also encourage guests to reuse their linens and towels for up to 3 days before requesting housekeeping replace them. Sustainability is an ever-evolving conversation, and Las Vegas Sands understands more efforts and successes can be achieved. It continually researches new technologies and practices to further reduce the company's water footprint.
From a water conservation standpoint, we are actually in the process of doing a property-wide water audit to identify additional opportunities for water savings projects. We're also looking into advanced leak detection technologies. We're looking at robust sub-metering equipment. We're looking at new types of filtration media for our swimming pools, spas, and front features. We're looking at innovative solutions for making our cooling towers more efficient, and so on.
Sands' dedication to sustainability hasn't gone unnoticed. The U.S. Department of Energy's Better Buildings Challenge recently recognized the company for energy and water upgrades made to all 3 Las Vegas properties. The Better Buildings Challenge calls on CEOs, university presidents, housing developers, and state and local governments to publicly pledge to reduce their energy and water footprint. Through this initiative, DOE partners have saved 4 billion gallons of water. Although resorts account for less than 1% of states' water use, they recognize that their employees, guests, and the community expect them to lead by example. By conserving water and working to be responsible environmental stewards, resorts demonstrate that water efficiency is good for Las Vegas and their business.